Still using When I Work to manage your team, you might be overpaying and working harder than you need to. Shift swapping issues, limited admin access, and surprise add-ons for basic features. It's a great tool for restaurants, but if your team is growing, remote, or doing more than just punching in, there's a better option I'm going to show you. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. On this channel, I help you discover tools that make your business run smarter. Today's video is sponsored by Connecteam, and I'm going to show you exactly why it's a better choice over When I Work, especially when it comes to pricing, functionality, and support for modern teams. Let me show you. Let's talk about pricing, because this can get pretty pricey with large teams and definitely multiple locations. When I Work starts at $250 per user per month for a single location, but as soon as you add a second location, the price jumps to $4 per user per month. Let's say you've got 30 team members, that's $120 a month. Connecteam, on the other hand, keeps it simple, $29 a month flat for comparable features and for the first 30 users, with all core features included. No surprises, no per location fees, and unlimited admins. Plus, it's completely free for teams up to 10 people with full access to all modules. When I Work stacks up costs fast, especially as your team grows. With Connecteam, what you see is what you get. One flat rate, no nickel and diming, and all the tools are included. What about features? Scheduling and time tracking are at the heart of both platforms, but the difference between checking boxes and actually making life easier, you're gonna see it here. Check this out. When I Work does a decent job with shift creation, availability views, and shift swapping. The interface is clean and the mobile app is intuitive, but core scheduling features like timesheets, GPS clock-ins, and absence tracking are only available with add-ons or higher tier plans. And when it comes to actual performance, Connecteam scores higher across the board, especially on mobile access, time clock accuracy, and ease of use, according to verified Capterra reviews. I'll link to this article in the description. Now, let's look at what Connecteam does differently, because scheduling and time tracking aren't just checkboxes, they have to work. In Connecteam, scheduling is drag and drop simple. You can build your week from scratch or speed things up with a reusable template. I'll save this current week as a template, name it, and next time I can apply it in just one click, or I can copy from previous weeks, so you've got some options here for efficiency. You can also auto-schedule shifts, which uses employee availability and AI to build the most efficient schedule for you. It's smart, accurate, and saves you hours, especially if you're juggling a large team. Before publishing, Connecteam checks for schedule conflicts, lets you preview shift load, and even highlights potential conflicts or compliance risks like missed breaks or overtime. Once published, real-time push notifications go out to your team to their mobile devices. Employees can claim open shifts, swap with a coworker, or request changes without back and forth emails. You can also attach shift-specific tasks, notes, locations, and documents, and your team can sync their schedules to Google Calendar, Outlook, and Apple Calendar. No extra setup needed. When the shift starts, they clock in with one tap, and time is logged to the second, not just the nearest minute like When I Work. Employees can also start paid or unpaid breaks right from the app, helping to stay compliant with labor laws and avoid manual fixes later. Time entries are backed by GPS, geofencing, and even breadcrumb tracking, so you know where work happens and when this is turned on. Managers can review and edit timesheets in-app, get alerted to overtime, and export everything directly to payroll in just a few clicks. And there are integrations with tools you're probably already using too, like ADP, Paychex, QuickBooks, and others. Connecteam is more built for field teams, remote crews, mobile ops, teams that actually need their tools to do more than just punch in. Managing a team isn't just about schedules, it's about keeping everyone informed, engaged, and aligned, even when they are not in the same place. Now, When I Work includes basic chat. It's fine for quick messages and shift updates, but that's where it ends. No newsfeed, no training system, no way to onboard new hires, collect surveys, or track performance milestones. As this article says, linked below, Connecteam definitely shines here in comparison. On When I Work, if you want to manage documents or HR tasks, you'll need additional tools outside the platform. Connecteam takes a completely different approach. It starts with a company newsfeed. You can post announcements, schedule updates, or team wins, and comment and see who's seen them. It's like internal comms without needing Slack or email. Want team feedback? Create a survey faster by starting from a template to gather opinions, measure engagement, or check in after a busy week. It loads perfectly on mobile for your team, and you can further customize it however you need. Responses are tracked in real time and easy to export or analyze, and there are lots of different fields you can add, like image upload, signature field, and more. For new team members, onboarding is built in. Upload documents, create training flows, and track their progress. Everything is mobile friendly and accessible even without a company email address. You can also assign quizzes to check retention or collect digital signatures for policies, contracts, or health waivers. It's fast, paperless, and you're always audit ready. Want to boost morale? Use shoutouts and rewards to recognize great work. Whether it's a birthday, a milestone, or a job well done, Connecteam makes it visible and meaningful. When I Work helps you through the shift, Connecteam helps you build a stronger, smarter, and more connected team. Finally, let's talk about trust, because when your whole team runs on one app, security and support aren't optional. Connecteam is fully HIPAA compliant, GDPR certified, and SOC 2 Type 2 verified. That means your employee data stays protected and your processes stay compliant. Whether you're in healthcare, field services, or anything regulated, this matters. It's really important. On support, Connecteam offers 24/7 live chat, email, and phone help, even on the free plan. When you need help, you get a human. When I Work, no HIPAA compliance, no mention of GDPR. Support is only available during business hours. Even worse, admin access is limited to just 3 users unless you upgrade. That creates bottlenecks and makes scaling a pain. The moral of the story here, When I Work is a solid tool, but if your business is small, shift-based, and mostly under one roof. But if you're managing a team across locations, in the field, or doing more than scheduling, Connecteam wins hands down. Even in the small business segment, Connecteam comes out ahead with a fully featured small business plan that's completely free for teams of up to 10 users. It's more affordable, more complete, and more designed to grow with you. Flat monthly pricing, no hidden fees, unlimited admin and 24/7 support, built-in tools for onboarding, HR, and communication, fully mobile with GPS, geofencing, and offline access, and compliant, secure, and ready for serious operations. Connecteam, this is so good, is 100% free for teams of up to 10 users, and there's a free trial if you need more than that for premium features. Linked below so you can try it all out. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. We respond to those personally. And if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more business tools and strategies. Thank you, Connecteam, for sponsoring this video. I'll see you in the next one.